Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I'm Tanya S from Department of CAI. I'm from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. The subject is about environmental studies and e-waste management. The topic is e-waste rules of 2022 and e-waste amendment rules of 2023. E-waste rules of 2022 and e-waste amendment rules of 2023. This presentation will delve into the key changes introduced in e-waste rules of 2022 and its recent amendment, shedding light on their impact on business and consumers. Introduction: e-waste management in the US. E-waste, the environment. Electronic waste or e-waste is a major environmental concern. Discarded devices contain hazardous materials that can pollute water or soil. Regulations and initiatives. The United States has implemented various regulations and initiatives to manage e-waste, emphasizing responsible, disposable, and recycling. E-waste rules 2022 key changes. Product expansion is the first one. The rules now cover a broader range of electronic devices, including small appliances and personal electronics. Second one is EPR implementation. Extended producer responsibility, EPR, mandates manufacturers to bear the cost of recycling their products. And third one is recycling targets. The new rules set ambitious recycling targets for specific electronic devices to promote resource recovery. The next one is expanded list of covered products. First one is smartphones. The e-waste rules 2022 expanded the list of covered products to include smartphones, tablets, and other personal electronics. Next one is small appliances. Small kitchen appliances such as blenders, toasters, and coffee makers are now included within the scope of the rules. Third one is gaming consoles. The new rules extended to gaming consoles, including handheld gaming devices and accessories. Fourth one is monitors and TVs. Monitors, televisions, and other display devices are subject to stricter recycling requirements. Next one is extended producer responsibility, also known as EPR. First one is producer obligations. Manufacturers now bear the responsibility for the collection and recycling of their products. Financial support. They must fund recycling programs and contribute to overall cost of e-waste management. Third one is industry collaboration. Producers are encouraged to collaborate with recyclers and stakeholders to implement EPR effectively. New collections and recycling targets. So year 2024, target for recycling rate sets to 70% for specific devices, aiming to increase resource recovery. Year 2026, recycling targets are expected to rise to 80%, further encouraging responsible e-waste management. Year 2028, the ultimate goal is to achieve 90% of recycling rate for designated electronic devices by 2028. Reporting and documentation obligations. First one is collection data. Producers must track and report data on the volume of e-waste collected from the consumers. Next one is recycling processes. They must document the recycling processes used and provide evidence of compliance with regulations. Next one is financial contributions. Producers are required to provide details on their financial contributions to e-waste management programs. E-waste amendment rules 2023 proposed changes. First one is stricter compliance. The amendment proposes a stricter enforcement measure to ensure compliance with the rules. Second one is increased fines. Penalties for non-compliance are likely to be increased, deterring violations. Third one, transparency and accountability. The amendment aims to enhance transparency and accountability in e-waste management. So these three are the amendment rules of 2023 proposed changes. Potential impact business and consumers. First one is increased costs. Business may experience increased cost associated with EPR obligations and recycling. Next one is product design. Manufacturers may be incentivized to design more recyclable and eco-friendly products. Third one is consumer awareness. Consumers will be more aware of their role in responsible of e-waste disposal. Thank you one and all. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.